Today, let's dive into a topic that's crucial for your financial health. What is it? It's improving your credit score. If you're stuck with a score around 550 and dream of reaching the golden mark of 800, you may be wondering if it can be done. Guess what? It sure can. Stick around as we uncover the strategies that can transform your credit score and open doors to financial opportunities. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down what your credit score really means. Your score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. It's used by lenders such as banks and credit card companies to assess the risk of lending you money or extending credit. A score of 550 suggests some credit challenges, while 800 signals excellent financial management. Your score is influenced by factors like payment history, amount owed, length of credit history, new credit inquiries, and types of credit accounts. Now, let's talk a little bit more about those factors. Number 1, payment history. This is the most significant factor. It indicates whether you've paid your bills on time. Number 2, amounts owed. This includes the total amount of debt you owe across all your accounts. Number 3, length of credit history. This considers how long your credit accounts have been open and the average age of your accounts. Number 4, new credit inquiries. Opening several new credit accounts in a short period can negatively impact your score. And number 5, types of credit account. This considers the variety of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. The next step is to obtain a copy of your credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can also purchase a 3-in-1 credit report, which will contain all of the information you'll need. Review each report carefully for inaccuracies, such as incorrect account information or fraudulent activity. Disputing errors can lead to significant score improvement. As mentioned previously, one of the most impactful factors on your credit score is your payment history. Aim to make on-time payments for all of your bills, including credit cards, loans, and utilities. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistent, timely payments demonstrate financial responsibilities and boost your score over time. High credit card balances can harm your credit score, especially if you're utilizing a large percentage of your available credit. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Pay down existing balances aggressively, starting with accounts carrying the highest interest rates. Consider consolidating debt or transferring balances to lower interest rate cards to expedite the process. Also consider finding ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. The extra income can be put toward paying off your credit card debt faster. Having a mix of different types of credit accounts can positively impact your credit score. While it's essential to manage credit cards responsibly, consider diversifying with installment loans, such as an auto loan or personal loan. However, only take on new credit when necessary, and avoid opening multiple accounts within a short period, as this can temporarily lower your score. The length of your credit history plays a significant role in your credit score calculation. Closing old accounts can shorten your average account age, potentially lowering your score. Instead, keep older accounts open, even if you're not actively using them. Just be sure to periodically charge small amounts and pay them off to keep the accounts active. Maintaining a healthy credit score requires ongoing attention. Take advantage of credit monitoring service to keep tabs on your score and receive alerts of any suspicious activity. Regular monitoring empowers you to address issues promptly and safeguard your financial reputation. Improving your credit score is a journey that requires patience and persistence. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and smart financial habits, you can steadily increase your score over time. Celebrate your progress along the way and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. Well, that's a wrap on our guide to boosting your credit score from 550 to 800. Remember, your credit score isn't just a number, It's a reflection of your financial habits and discipline. By implementing these strategies and staying focused on your goals, you can unlock a brighter financial future. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more credit-related tips. Thanks for watching.